Bye, bye, bye.
Oh man. He's so cute.
You saw her back that thing up, right? Good, look good once you back that thing up. You can't find room once you back that thing up. Aww. That's trashy, Daddy, isn't it?
But Dad, I don't want to make money this way.
We're really trying to keep our daughter off the pole, as you can tell.
Back it up. Ah.
Do you like my butt? Take a bow. Oh, thank you.
Did you do the popping and locking yet?
Did you do that thing where you pop and then you
Oh.
lock it?
It's your turn.
Baby.